boiling tea. Malunggay tea is boiling. Later I will drink this one. It's very good for the health. Miracle tea, malunggay. Okay. Malunggay leaves na harvest namin dito sa aking backyard. Tinanim ang dami. Ito pa ginagawa ko ng tsaa. Dami po si tatay. Also, Luna, you like this malunggay? Oh, eating malunggay leaves. Where's the taste? Luna, is bitter?